China is betting on the crypto craze. China is now launching its own cryptocurrency right as the crypto market value tops $2 trillion for the first time. Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies author Kiana Danial joins us now. Kiana, what do you make of this?
Hi, David. So I don't think this is an actual cryptocurrency. This is a social credit system developed by the Chinese Communist Party that is powered by AI. And it is literally, in my opinion, the anti-cryptocurrency, because the reason why people fell in love with Bitcoin and the reason why people are kind of moving away even from the US dollar to invest in Bitcoin and other crypto assets is because they are decentralized. This Chinese cryptocurrency, even though it has the word digital in it, it seems like it is just a system that collects all forms of data in order to calculate the social trustworthiness of their people and use it against them.
So it is the antithesis of Bitcoin's anonymity. I mean, one reason that a lot of people, a lot of libertarians were drawn to Bitcoin initially and other cryptocurrencies is the anonymity. China wants a cryptocurrency that will have an ability to get all kinds of information from your private accounts.
Absolutely. Well, now Bitcoin actually is not completely anonymous. There are other cryptocurrencies like Monero who are optimized for being even more anonymous. Bitcoin is optimized for being a value asset like gold. You can actually track people on Bitcoin, which is something that not a lot of people pay attention to. But this at least is decentralized. There is no centralized person, an entity, or a government that is monitoring what's happening. It's all on the blockchain. Everybody has access to it. And nobody can really, unless you're like super powerful, really manipulate it. This is, as you said, the opposite of that. So I'm a little bit worried.
So is anybody outside of China, where they have a captive audience, is anybody outside of China going to get into this?
I hope people don't get excited. So there's a chance, because China is really competing with the U.S. on everything. They're competing in tech. They're creating their own GPUs and CPUs and everything. And investors are getting excited about the Chinese markets. My hope is that cryptocurrency investors won't get excited starting dumping their U.S. dollar or Bitcoin to buy this Chinese crypto, which is everything that Bitcoin isn't actually.
You know, you just think of the history. You don't have to think hard to think of the history of China stealing data, stealing private information, and imagine what would happen if you sacrifice some of your funding and some of your financial information into their currency system. It would be a nightmare, an absolute nightmare. So good luck to them. Kiana, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it. The book is Crypto Investing for Dummies. Thank you very much.
5 things to know about the new Chinese cryptocurrency. 1, it's not really a cryptocurrency, even though it has the word digital in it. 2, it's a social credit system developed by the Chinese Communist Party, powered by artificial intelligence. 3, unlike Bitcoin, it's not decentralized. Decentralization is the reason why we like Bitcoin, by the way. 4, it collects all forms of data in order to calculate a social trustworthiness so that they can reward or punish people based on their score. I know, super scary stuff. And 5, it could actually rival the US dollar and take away power from the US government. I wouldn't invest in the Chinese cryptocurrency. Will you?